All right. Ooh. Hello, everybody. This is gonna be my first video I'm posting here, and it's not gonna be a vlog. It's gonna be more of an idea dump with something that's been sizzling in my brain for a hell of a long time, but I haven't got the chance to express it yet. And I decided to express it with the whole internet, which is probably a bad idea, but we'll see how it goes. First off, before I start anything, I want to say that even though this video will most likely be something in the title will say Morse code, it's going to be interesting. The other thing is, since most of these ideas were thought of during school, most of the examples have to do with school. So just, know that all these examples could be applied to many different things other than school. Alright, let me just pull up my notes in case something goes horribly wrong, which it very well might. Anyway, Morse code. First thing you think of when somebody says Morse code, you think about grandpas and old people and dementia. Because for most of you, Morse code died with the telegraph messages and, way long past, and we don't need to go back to that because now we have text messaging and email and stuff. But after, spending countless bored hours in class, I've realized that Morse code really is a perfect technology. And it could, if everybody learned it right now, it would make the world a better place. Then I thought to myself, why would it make the world a better place? Because I already had all these examples of why, but why is Morse code better than writing and stuff? Morse code can be interpreted through 3 of 5 of the senses. That's what I found out. And I know I sound like some science weirdo right now, but just bear with me. See, like normal language, normal written word can be seen, but if you want to hear it through your ears, you'd have to have someone talk it to you, and if you wanted to read it with your hands, you'd need it embossed up, or you'd need to learn Braille. With Morse code, if you know it, you can hear Morse code, you can read it with your eyes, and you can feel it. Now, how would this be so much better? Well, if everyone learned Morse code, that would give us a whole new way of communicating silently, just like text messaging does, but through a closer environment, I guess. So instead of having to dim your voice or whatever, I know this might sound a little creepy, but you could put your hand on the person's knee and tap them a Morse code message without making any disturbance. You could also do something like tap your pen on a desk in Morse code and another person could interpret it, and that wouldn't be causing that much of a distraction as, say, passing a note in class or whispering to someone in class. Now, not only would this provide a quieter alternative to talking, I also think that Morse code could be integrated into modern technology. For instance, if phones decided to integrate Morse code into their phone, into their operating system, I guess, when a phone receives a text message, you could set it to a mode where it would Morse code you the text message by vibrating it through your phone. And that wouldn't be that difficult because your phone already has a vibration feature. All you'd have to do is, it would be relatively simple. So that way, if you were in the middle of doing something, you could read text messages without even moving. Your phone would just vibrate it to you. And then your phone would also have a feature for you to tap back another message in Morse code just by using your whole screen as a button, I guess. So, although putting your hands down your pants and doing a tapping motion might be a little weird, it would be a lot quieter and a lot less distracting than, pulling your phone out and answering a text message. I just think that for certain situations, learning Morse code and actually applying it would be very interesting. Very interesting. Anyway, I'm just saying if people learned Morse code, school would be a lot better because, you know, some classes are just ridiculously boring and your teachers don't let you talk, your teachers don't let you discuss things. But if you did learn Morse code, even though it might be a little slower, you could still talk during class and nobody would hear you. Anyway, just a thought, just an idea, just putting it out there. Tell me what you think. Of course, they could be applied to a lot of other things other than school, but school would be great, because I'm in school. Anyway, alright guys, you have a great day. Welcome to my first video. I'll have links in the sidebar to, I don't know, stuff. If you liked this, leave a comment. If you hated it, leave a comment. If you don't want to leave a comment, don't leave a comment, because, you know, most people are like, comment, rate, subscribe. I give you the choice, because I think that we are human. We should be able to make our own decisions. We shouldn't be told what to do like mindless sheep. And alright, got a little carried away. Alright, there's a link to my Twitter in the sidebar, and just tell me whatever you want to tell me down below. Anyway, alright guys, we gotta turn off my camera. You have a great day, alright? And thanks for watching, if you are one of the few subscribers that I have. Thanks a lot. Alright, bye.